Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Microsoft Edge keeps opening itself automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. First of all, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the accounts tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on sign in options. Scroll down, you'll find an option here which says automatically save my restartable apps and restart them when I am signed back in. Uncheck this, turn this off. The next one is to search for Task Manager and open the Task Manager. Now go to this option here and then you can scroll down, right click on Microsoft Edge and disable it. Okay, so it will not open at startup either. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.